Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make simple and delicious ground beef and potato taquitos. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Okay, so we're going to begin by cooking 3 potatoes. I already peeled them and chopped them into small pieces. So now I'm going to add a little bit of salt and cover them with water. Set it on high heat and allow them to cook for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're nice and soft. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, our potatoes should be nice and soft. So of course, just make sure that you check them. Now we're just going to turn it off and transfer them into a bowl. Okay, and here we're just going to smash them down. Kind of like if you're making mashed potatoes. Okay, so just like that. And once we have our potatoes, now we can get ready to make our meat. To our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. Okay, and once it heats up, we're going to add 1/4 of an onion, 1 Roma tomato, and half a jalapeno. We're just going to saute for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, we're going to add 1 pound of lean ground beef. And we're going to be seasoning with 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, half a teaspoon of cumin, and salt. Now we're just going to break it down and allow it to cook for 7 minutes. Okay, after 7 minutes, remove any grease from your meat. And now we're going to add our potatoes. Okay, so just mix it. And here you're going to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect. So now we're just going to turn it off and get ready to make our taquitos. Okay, before we make our taquitos, we're going to heat up our oil. So here I have my pan over medium heat. And I'm just going to add enough oil to cover the taquito. And of course, if you want to make them in the air fryer, you can do that too. So now we're just going to allow it to heat up. Meanwhile, we can prep the tortillas. Okay, now for my tortillas, I wrap them in a napkin and just place them in the microwave for 1 minute. So once they're done, we're just going to unstack them and get ready to stuff them. Okay, so we're going to grab a tortilla and about 2 tablespoons of our filling. Kind of just press it together and roll it. Okay, once our oil is nice and hot, we're going to place the taquitos in, seam down. Just give it a couple seconds. And we just add them in and fry them until they're nice and golden all around. Okay, once our taquitos are nice and golden all around, we're going to remove them from the oil. Drain out as much oil as possible. Place them in paper towels. And we repeat the process until we no longer have any taquitos to fry. Alrighty guys, and once we have our delicious taquitos, we can now get ready for the fun part. Alright, so I'm going to begin by adding some lettuce. Going to add some pickled onions. Some crema mexicana. Queso fresco. And of course, our salsa. And just like that, we can now get ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. It's seriously super easy to make, and the best part is that it is budget friendly. I love this recipe. Everyone loves these taquitos and you can never go wrong. So I hope you give them a try and enjoy them just as much. Cheers and enjoy. Seriously, the best. These taquitos are just so flavorful, very simple, but so delicious. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make super easy and delicious ground beef and potato taquitos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.